This is boring. I thought it would be a lot more fun. It's the end of my first week. 4 classes later. And I've done about 1,000 squats, 300 push-ups, probably around 500 deadlifts. And it's boring. Every single exercise is a variation of a squat, a deadlift, a pull-up, or a push-up. Rinse and repeat every day. And the worst part of it is that my knees are too damaged to do anything else. I work out for an hour, and then I need to recover for 23 hours. And even after that, I'm not 100% in my next session. Now, if it was enjoyable, I'd have no problem with it. But it's not. It's the same thing every day. One more squat, one more deadlift, one more pull-up. Nothing original. No fun to be had besides saying I did one more deadlift, one more pull-up, one more squat, and one more push-up. I've decided to cut back my schedule to once a week to do things that I actually like to do. Play outside, see the sun, enjoy the ocean breeze, smell the fresh air of the mountains, and enjoy myself. It was an experiment, and the verdict has dropped. This is not for me.